Here, the sea gives and takes. Out of the deep rise 18 islands, forged by wind and time. Despite the rugged landscape, the people endure, adapt, and thrive, rooted in resilience and guided by generations. Here, tradition anchors the soul, but the Faroes are not frozen in time. This is a place where fiber optic cables run beneath ancient stone, where sustainability powers progress and heritage shapes the future. This is Føroyar, the Faroe Islands. Whether you wait for the wind or chart your own path, the Faroe Islands welcome you with open arms and open skies. A culture shaped by nature, strengthened by community, and inspired by both tradition and tomorrow.